Samsung is reportedly bringing a 200-megapixel main camera sensor to the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is a huge leap compared to the 108-megapixel unit present on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, one tipster reveals details that the individual image size differences are not all that different from the two cameras. Each image snapped from the 200-megapixel of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is said to have a resolution of 12,240 x 16,320, according to details shared by Ice Universe. Though the tipster does not reveal where he came across such findings, it is interesting to note that the previous resolution is barely different from an image captured by the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108-megapixel camera. For comparison purposes, the 108-megapixel sensor can capture an image up to a resolution of 9,000 x 12,000, with around 14.21 MB of space used. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200-megapixel sensor can capture images of varying sizes. One image shown by Ice Universe reveals the 12,240 x 16,320 resolution but with an image size of 20.98 MB, while the second one is captured at the exact same resolution but features a size of 37.06 MB. As such, the tipster believes that the image size will vary between 20 MB to 40 MB. We do not know what compression techniques Samsung is employing to reduce the capacity of each 200-megapixel image significantly, but we certainly hope that for the company's sake, this does not compromise the image quality. There are diminishing returns in bringing high megapixel count sensors to smartphones because of the smaller housing, which forces companies like Samsung to incorporate tiny sensors. Whether the Korean giant is bringing a 200-megapixel sensor to the Galaxy S23 Ultra as a marketing play, or if the upcoming flagship can become the next imaging and video capturing behemoth, we don't know. If you are excited about the Galaxy S23 series announcement and want to be an early adopter before the grand unveiling on February 1, Samsung has just something rewarding for its customers. If you reserve any Galaxy smartphone, you can get $50 in free credit, and up to $100 if you reserve both a Galaxy smartphone and Galaxy Book. All you have to do is visit Samsung's website and perform a few easy steps and receive that credit, with no strings attached. What do you think about today's leak? Comment down below. For more video like this, hit the subscribe button and enjoy latest videos. See you tomorrow. Peace out.